Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about turnip greens, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with turnip greens. So if you're looking for some new menu or recipe ideas, hopefully this will help you out. In the proteins category, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds. We have bacon, beans in general, black-eyed peas, chickpeas, eggs, ham, pecans, pork, sausage, sesame seeds, tofu, turkey, and walnuts. In the vegetables category, other vegetables that pair well with turnip greens includes chilies, garlic, ginger, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, and of course, turnips. In the fruits category that go well with turnip greens, there's apples, coconut, lemons, that would include the lemon juice and lemon zest, lime, olives, and oranges. In the grains and grain products category, there's breadcrumbs, grains in general, noodles, pasta, and rice. In the dairy and non-dairy department, we have butter, cheese, especially Parmesan and Pecorino cheeses, coconut milk, and cream. In the other foods category, there's miso, mustard, as in prepared mustard, oil, especially olive oil and sesame oil, soy sauce, stock, vinegar, especially apple cider vinegar, and wine, as in dry white wine. I do hope this helps to give you some new ideas. Take care. Bye for now.